Okay guys, so this is how we're gonna do our gardening this year. So we drill the holes in here so we can get the water. We set that in here, and then we get these two buckets and take the bottoms out of it. We add them to that bucket, and the reason we have two is so it's the same height as this. And then we fill this up with dirt and here up with water. And then we get a lid, cut a hole in it, and then we add that in there. And then this is the compost we're going to use. It's kind of like dirt. And then we get a grow bag, and then we cut the hole out of it. And then the reason we cut the hole out of here is so the water can absorb to the dirt. And then it comes all the way up to the plants. We add this pipe in here so we can add the water in it. And we planted this.
And this, you do 1/8 of sea mineral. Spread it evenly around. And you use a little less than 1/8 for the lime. And a little less than 1/8 with gypsum. And the last is Epsom salt. You use a little less than 1/8. And this is all for a 7-gallon growth bag. And this is where we bought them. It's a place in Oklahoma somewhere.